In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to another page on Wix. If you want to make your website easier to navigate, adding internal links is a simple but important step. Linking a piece of text, a button, or even an image to another page on your Wix site helps visitors move around smoothly and find the information they need faster. This is especially useful for things like sending people from your home page to your services page, your contact page, or any other important section of your site. To get started, open your website in the Wix editor. Once you're inside the editor, click on the element you want to turn into a link. This could be a line of text, a button, or an image. When you select it, Wix will display a small menu or action bar near that element. This is where you'll find the tools related to that item. Next, look for the link icon. It usually looks like a small chain. Click that icon to open the link settings. This is the panel where you tell Wix where you want that selected element to send your visitors when they click it. Inside the link settings, click the option to choose a link. At the top, you'll see different types of link destinations, since you're linking to another page within your own website. Select the page option. This tells Wix that the destination is part of your site's existing page structure, not an outside website or another type of content. After that, you will need to select the exact page you want to link to. Use the drop-down list to browse your site's pages and choose the one you want. For example, you might pick a page like Services or Contact, depending on where you want your visitors to go. Make sure you choose the correct page so the link takes people to the intended destination. Once the page is selected, set the behavior for how the page should open. You can choose to open it in the current window, which is the most common option for internal links on the same website, or in a new window if you specifically want to keep the original page open as well. In most cases, current window gives visitors the smoothest browsing experience. When you're happy with your selection, click Done to apply the link, and that's it.